YouTube. Woo. I know that sun is in the way, but hey man, we rocking the fro today. I ain't really got nothing to do, so we just about to kind of get some things going. But before I get into this video, I want to show y'all something. As y'all know, my channel is about trading, but eventually I am going to segue into some lifestyle, you feel me? But just wanted to show y'all this. Check this out. See that? That's 5 eggs. When the last time you woke up and went in your backyard and went grocery shopping? Hold on, I gotta put this down. Let me grab all of these. Actually, we're gonna leave them. But I just wanted to show y'all that because, listen, man, it's more to life, right? I'm not even gonna say it's more to life, but you gotta have some bigger goals, especially when it comes to profitability and trading. You feel me? I mean, you see all this out here? You just gotta have some bigger goals. That's all I'm gonna say about that. I just firmly believe that, listen, at the end of the day, you're gonna do one or two things. You're gonna be a producer or you're gonna be a consumer. So we on the charts right now. And this is just gonna be a quick trade breakdown. You know, this was textbook. First thing I seen was, and this was no top-down analysis, this is just me reading price. So I see the market pushing up, they created a high and they rejected. So when they rejected off this area, obviously draw a line there. That's some type of structure. So price started moving sideways. And in this area, it broke above this, and I was actually looking to take a quick little sell right into this little 5-minute gap area. But as you can see, like, I would have had to get in really up here to really make some money on this trade. So I basically missed that, and I was like, cool. I said, I'm gonna just wait, let me see what happens. So price started moving sideways again, and then I see that we pushing back up to potentially create another high. So when I seen this high, I'm like, okay, well, where are we going, right? Because when the market's moving, especially if I'm gonna take a trade, I need to know where I'm trying to enter at, make sure my entry is as safe as possible, but at the same time, where am I trying to close this trade at, right? So I look left. I'm like, okay, this high was already taken out, we can remove that line, right? So I look left and I say, okay, well, what's the next high? Like, price is sitting right here at this point, where they're pushing up to a certain area. And I look left and I see this right here, just like this. So when I see this, I'm like, all right, cool. We got a high sitting right here, and then we got a swing high sitting up here, right? So when I seen this high, price is not there yet. I'm like, you know what? This would be the safer high to take out, because if I go to the 1 hour and you look at this, if I show you this on the 1 hour, this is the area where that high is, right? But if you look left, price, every time price got to this area, I put a line right here. Every time price got to this area, bounced off. Took out that high, bounced off, never took that high out, never took that high out. And even this candle right here, it took out both of those highs. So I'm like, well, I'm not necessarily looking to take out this high because it already took those highs out and it pulled down aggressively really hard. So if they're going to bounce, it may just take out this little high on the 5 minute, right? So that's just as simple as it was. And then if I go to my entry, obviously I enter on the 1 minute charts, right? And I have my TP somewhere like right above this line. It was just something like that. Basically I needed to make 1700 because trying to catch this trade, I had lost 160, and I was like, dang, okay, I want to make 1500 on this trade, but now I got to make a little bit more because I lost to 160. So I just put it at a safe place where I was just like, if they're gonna take this out, it's gonna be fast. So I'm gonna just put it at 17 and hope the market hit it, obviously, right? So let's go to the 1 minute chart, and then on the 1 minute, let me delete this. But I seen this on the 1 minute right here, right? So constantly making highs, leaving gaps below, and this is like, this goes directly into my strategy. It just happened to work out so beautifully on the 1 minute. And this is what it looks like. Just like this. And I know that's probably happened too fast. Let me play this back a little bit. Let me get a different candle right here at this point. Just like this. So when the market did this right here, right? You got to look at this. Like, really look at this. The market pushed up, they came down, and they tapped into this area because they also left a gap here. So they tapped in this area and reject. When they reject like that, they're trying to push up, right? But when they happen to do that, they left another gap right here, just like that. Just like that. You can see that clear as day, right? If I put these two lines right here and get rid of this this purple zone, you can see that the market threw this baby gap in this area. And what price do? Price push up and it come back down and never filled in the gap, and it's moving sideways. I'm not looking for no buys until it taps into this area, right? Now, anybody that's buying up here, they're about to get stopped out because the market has to fill this in. And I know this is going to be a big win if it fill this in, right? So I wait for that, I see that, and then I mark up where my entry is going to be, literally off of this. And wherever the candle stops, that's going to be my stop loss, right? And then I was just trying to take it like right there, no joke. So see this, and then boom, just like that. Now, I always mark up my charts as the market's moving, and trust and believe, when I get in my trades, I'm getting in at the wick. I do not get in at the break of no candles when it's moving aggressively like this. You got to be able to know that price is not turning around when you see a big red candle. That's your entry to get in because it wicked. You get what I'm saying? So don't be like, you can't be scared of this stuff. If your analysis is correct, your strategy is solid, you can trust that when I see volume pushing down like that real quick after moving sideways, I know it's probably most likely about to wick, and it's giving me an opportunity for a beautiful entry. So I get in this trade somewhere around here, just like that. And it was at the top of, I think it was like somewhere right in this area where my TP was. Yeah, it was somewhere in this area. I think I had it like right above here because I wasn't looking to take out this high where this top yellow line is. So, I mean, bro, listen, if you ain't in the Discord, like, understand that when you talk about a sniper entry, it's well known in my Discord that I try to get in, and a lot of times I get in at the most optimal time, if you get what I'm saying. Like, most of my trades that I take never being drawdown. I mean, never, right? And I know it sounds crazy, but when the market's doing stuff like this, the second I see it in my area, I'm taking a position and it starts pulling in my direction. I mean, this trade I came in at this area right here and never came back down to this area. It just went directly into profit. You get what I'm saying? So I'm just saying, if you ain't in the Discord, I recommend you hop in there because, bro, we be catching these setups. You feel me? This is just a trade that I took by myself. So just like this, already in profit, stop loss and move to break even, and risk-free trade almost every time. And I literally had my TP up here, and I actually set my TP. I didn't try to close it when it got up there because I knew that if they was gonna get up there, they was gonna, one, do it fast, two, take out the high, and then they was gonna bounce and immediately turn the other way. And this is something known that a part of my strategy and goal. When you see price moving sideways and they leave a gap below, wait for them to tap into the gap and then take it in that direction, right? And this trade happened just like this. Boom. And then at this point, we just floating right at like 900, 1K. I think at the top of this candle, and then this happened. Not this one, this one. Wait, after this candle, just like that, right? So I have my TP right somewhere in this area, not looking to take out that most previous high. Like I told you, the market, it already did that. So I'm not expecting that high to get taken out. So I blasted up here just like this. And I really caught majority of this move. And this was I mean, bro, like, come on, think about it. Like, when have you ever consistently caught a 1 to 20 risk to reward? You feel what I'm saying? And this was just so clean, bro. It was just like, I just had to take it. You feel what I'm saying? So, yeah, that's all I got for this video. I just wanted to show y'all, like, listen, I'm still trading. I got a child on the way, man. I just got a lot of stuff I've been doing. That's why I ain't uploading, but we still showing up, bro. Like, the work don't stop. You feel what I'm saying? This trade was just, it was too clean. And then you can see, if you just know what price did, you see I said it bounced off this area. Look what happened after it bounced off this area. Let's fast forward this. We'll just let this play out. And it immediately dropped, right? So price never came back into this area until this right here to come take out these traders at these highs right here. It took them out, and everybody that's sold, because you got to remember, when the market starts pushing down like this, you got sellers getting in all within this candle, just like that. All these candles right here, this is just a 5-minute candle. If I go to the 5-minute chart, this is one 5-minute candle. So you got all of these sellers coming in, thinking the market's about to immediately turn around. But what does price do? It goes up, it takes all of them out, take out the last previous highs, and then it starts dropping. And it drops just into, like, this is a gap right here, you fill it in. You get what I'm saying? So it's so many ways to actually catch these type of setups. You just got to be looking for them. You got to develop the eye for it, for better words. So that was it on that trade, bro. Like, it was clean, textbook, no complaints at all. I love when TP get hit because I got it right here. This was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What, 10 minutes? TP hit in 10 minutes, bro. And I went to sleep after that. You get what I'm saying? And I was trading, people in the Discord, trading as well. And we just do this every day. So that's all I got for this video, man. Of course, I've been taking by far more trades than this. I just don't really have the time to upload. I really chose August to be my content creation month to kind of really get, you know, my channel out there and stuff like that. I uploaded, like, I didn't skip a beat in August, you feel what I'm saying? But now in September, I had to do it that way because I got stuff I'm doing this month. So I will be coming back with the content once I get a lot of stuff obviously taken care of. So That's all I got for this video, man. So you already know what's up, bro. Hit that like button, subscribe, join the Discord. The link is in the description. It's free. I made it paid, but I'm opening it back up for free. I did some cleaning out. Got some people that wasn't active in and opened up some spots. So all I'm saying is, bro, listen, we're just growing every single day, and we're gonna keep going, man. You feel what I'm saying? So that's all I got, man. Y'all be cool, and until next time, be great.
I had to walk in my greatness, to step in my grace. Yeah.